Hey everybody. Okay, so if you've been following along, you'll know that we've been chasing down some emissions problems and just trying to get it to pass. So we have the new distributor in, I have the new spark plug wires, I have the new tune in, and I just need to go and get it checked again, and we should be good to go. In the meantime, I just have a few little things that I can start to work on just so I can feel like I'm making progress, because I feel like I've just been dragging my feet on the Civic. So just have some very little things to take care of today. So I'll show you. Check it out. So the first thing are the headlights. So the headlights, he has an HID kit in there right now. I don't really like it very much, and it doesn't even work. So the headlights won't even turn on. So I'm just gonna go back to the stock headlights. That'll be fine for me. Hopefully they work. The headlights are missing the grommets, so I went and picked up a set from the junkyard the other day. We're gonna get those cleaned up and we'll get them in the car. And then hopefully that'll take care of our headlight issue. Then we need to get our new radiator fan installed. My radiator fan right now is broken. It doesn't work. It's zip tied in place. It's a mess. So I have an OEM fan, so I'm gonna get that installed. But my car also needs the connector. They had chopped out this connector and just hardwired the other fan, which is not going to work for me. So I picked up a connector. I'm just going to get this soldered into the harness, and then we should be good to go. So that's it. Just these little things, just headlights, radiator fan, and I can feel like I'm making progress again. So let's get to it. So this is what I have right now for my headlight setup. It's just a cheap set of HID things, and it's been stuck on here with blue painter's tape, so you know it's quality. So they don't even work. So I'm gonna pull these out. We're gonna use the OEM style headlight, and hopefully that'll work. Out with these, and then in with the OEMs. So I got that in there. Got that in there too. So let's see if that works. Hopefully it works, because I like it a lot better. Next thing on the list is to take care of this fan. So you see it's just disintegrating, holding on by a zip tie, and it just needs to be replaced. So this is the only tricky part. They removed the connector, so I gotta unwrap this and then just wire in the old connector, and hopefully that's all it needs. So let's get started on that. Let's just take this stuff off. There we go. Okay. Just checking this thing out. Alright, let's see what we got under here. I'm not even sure what kind of connector they used. No, take that out. Crap. Alright, so that's good. I think I can tie right into that. So I can just clip right here. We got plenty of wire left. We'll figure out what to do with this. I think I'm just gonna clip it, and we'll tie in back here. Okay, that's good. And then let's just make sure we have clearance. I have my suspicions. I was a little nervous about clearance between the header and the master cylinder, but this looks like it'll be fine. That's good news. All right, let's get this mocked up, and then we'll start working on wiring. Now it's just tackling this plug. So this is what they had installed for that slim fan, and I just grabbed the OEM connector from the junkyard. So I've got to splice this end into this wire, and I've never done that before, but it seems pretty straightforward. You just clip it and splice it, and then it should work. But yeah, I've never done that before, so we're gonna give it a go and see how it works. Fingers crossed. To be completely honest, electrical stuff just freaks me out. Like, I don't know what I'm doing with electrical stuff, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm pretty convinced I'm gonna screw something up, so let's go. Let's have an adventure. Step one is to disconnect your battery. Did that. So first off, I need to clear off some of this casing just so I have access to the wire. Okay. So that's what I'm working with. A red wire and a black wire. Okay, that should give me enough. Now, here comes this part. Take that off. Okay. A little heat shrink. I'm just doing what YouTube told me to do. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Heat shrink's cool though. That's fun to play with. Too much heat shrink. Yeah, you can see I'm a little lost here. This is a little beyond my comfort zone. You guys have probably already spotted like 6 different ways that I'm doing this wrong. That's okay. I'll figure it out eventually. Okay, so red to red. Yeah, that didn't work. Fail. Yeah, you can see this is going real good. Okay. I'm gonna have to rethink this. I suck. So, just finished up splicing the wires together. I ended up having to use some crimps to get it to work. And Jack helped me out. So we got this put back together. So now I just need to mount the radiator fan and we'll get it plugged in and we'll test if it works. Okay, so everything's all buttoned up now. We have the new OEM fan installed on the radiator. Everything's back together. Harness is put together. And it all works. So that's a good win. Thanks for the help, Jack. High fives. All right, we'll catch you guys later.